How's it going, everyone? Welcome to CMR. Today we're going to talk about altcoins. Right now it's about 12 p.m. Eastern Time. In my last video, I talked about Cardano and how it should be in the area with IOTA. And look where Cardano is right now. Today I'm going to tell you about the next altcoins which have the most potential to be in the top 20s. So let's start with RaiBlocks. RaiBlocks is, to put it simply, is Bitcoin 2.0. You can see it had a good run up at this starting of December, and it was trading at around 14 cents, 15 cents, and it went all the way up to about $4. And right now it's about $2.2. And the exchanges it's being traded on are BitGrail and Mercatox and Bitflip. The biggest exchange in all of these exchanges is Mercatox. I would prefer to trade it on Mercatox, and when you go to Mercatox, it's not that much of a bad exchange, to tell you the truth. You can see that it is having a consolidation area at this time, and it has the potential to shoot up and go to about $10 coming next month in January. So what is RaiBlocks? I'm going to cover that in detail in my next video, but to put it simply and to summarize the points, it is basically Bitcoin 2.0. It is what Bitcoin was actually conceived to do. RaiBlocks has no fees. It has instant transactions, no miners. All RaiBlocks are already mined, so there won't be any hard forks, and no one can take control of the RaiBlocks and where it should go and should not. The only way you can take control of RaiBlocks is if you own 51% of the total supply, and which is quite impossible to do at this moment. And as the market cap increases, it's going to become even more difficult to do. And it is truly decentralized. This is what actual cryptocurrencies were made to do. Why people liked going on cryptocurrencies instead of fiat currencies? Because they are centrally controlled by banks, and RaiBlocks is putting out the original vision by Satoshi Nakamoto and fulfilling the idea of cryptocurrencies being the main source of exchanges. And RaiBlocks also has unlimited scalability. So you can get RaiBlocks on Mercatox. It's not that much of a bad exchange, to tell you the truth. I've been doing some research on this one, and it's a good exchange. It has a lot of coins out there. So yeah, BitGrail is not that of a good exchange. I researched about it. It's a very small exchange, so I would prefer trading, getting RaiBlocks on Mercatox. If you want to get RaiBlocks on Mercatox, kindly use my referral link in the description. I'll get a small percentage of the fees they charge. That way you can support this channel if you like it. Moving on, our second cryptocurrency is Ark. Ark is having a good run up after a very long period, and its lowest peak was at 1.2. I believe it was at about $1.88 on 2nd November, and now it has gone to an all-time high. It's about at $6. It touched $6 and then it came back. So yeah, why Ark? Why am I mentioning Ark? Well, there are two things. They have updated their website, and it's available in about 10 different languages. And secondly, their mobile wallet is about to be completed. It's 99% complete, and it will be available on iOS and Android devices. So that is a big deal. and when it gets completed, you're gonna see a pump in the ARK price. So I'm not a financial advisor, neither this is a financial advice, but this seems to be a good buy. And moving on, we see VeChain. VeChain also has a potential to go in the top 20s. It's right now trading at $1, and it can surely go to $10 in the next coming month of January. And lastly, we see Tron. Tron already had a good run up about since the starting of December. But there is more potential, I think, in Tron, and it is already in the top 20s, but I think it has more potential moving forward, and it can go in the top 10. And right now, if we go to its exchanges, are Binance, CoinNest, Liquid, different exchanges, many different exchanges. The biggest one for this one is Binance. So let's go to Binance and see what's happening. You see a consolidation period over here. It is consolidating. You see this formation. It's about to make a move. If it's downwards, it's going to break the trend and it's going to move downwards. The support line, I believe, is going to be around at 159 Satoshi mark. If it goes upwards, then you're going to see a new high. And I believe it's going to make a new high. So yeah, Tron is a good buy also. Let's check our Bitcoin order book. And let's see where it is right now at of 10,000 Bitcoin buy order on Bitfinex. And right now it's at $9,422. In our previous video, it was at $8,258. If you want to know the importance of 10,000 Bitcoin buy order, then kindly watch my last video, as it is directly related to Bitcoin's stability. So yeah, that's about it. So I hope you guys like the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. In future, I will be covering different third generation cryptos and what will be the possible outcome of the Bitcoin's current rally. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.